2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J for sale in Baton Rouge, Louisiana 78,808. Spread your wings and fly with this 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J. This Class A motorhome is 36 feet in length and features a spacious floor plan. Perfect for creating memorable experiences with loved ones and friends. Powered by a strong Triton V10 engine mated with an automatic transmission. This RV has one large slide out and one power patio awning. Hit the road with minimal effort because this rig is equipped with captain's chairs, hydraulic leveling jacks and a backup camera. With only 8,441 miles, you can rest assured that this 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J will be making your traveling dreams come true for many years to come. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J is ready to become your next home away from home. This luxury unit has been outfitted with exceptional amenities to ensure that you experience top-quality residential living right on the campsite. Highlights of these features include solid Surface CountertopThree Burner Stove / OvenMicrowaveRefrigerator / FreezerLarge kitchen SinkDinette with bench seating, outdoor kitchen, 4 televisions ThroughoutSurround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoSofaChairLarge, BathroomShowerToiletSinkMaster, queen-size bed, full-size master closet / DresserFurnaceheat pump, and so much more. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J is ready to be your next home away from home. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to invest in your happiness. This fully loaded Class A RV is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can cherish every moment of your RV experiences with this fantastic Class A 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 34J.